Navigating Parental Abduction, a comprehensive guide to understanding and action. Introduction. Parental abduction is a profoundly distressing issue that affects families across the globe, transcending geographical, cultural, and legal boundaries. This introduction aims to highlight the significance of raising awareness about parental abduction and to provide a succinct overview of the complexities that surround this troubling phenomenon. The significance of awareness surrounding parental abduction. Awareness is the first step toward prevention and resolution. Parental abduction not only disrupts the lives of the children involved but also inflicts deep emotional scars on the left-behind parents and caregivers. Understanding the dynamics of parental abduction is crucial for several reasons. Preventive measures. Increased awareness can empower parents, especially those in multicultural relationships, to take proactive steps to protect their children. By understanding the legal frameworks and risks associated with international travel and custody arrangements, parents can mitigate the chances of abduction before it occurs. Support for affected families. Awareness leads to a greater understanding of the emotional and psychological toll that abduction takes on families. By recognizing the signs and consequences of parental abduction, communities can provide better support systems for affected families, including access to legal resources, counseling, and advocacy groups. Policy and legal advocacy. Heightened awareness can prompt changes in policies and legal frameworks. When the public is informed about the prevalence and impact of parental abduction, it can lead to increased advocacy for stronger laws and international cooperation to address this issue comprehensively. Why? Community engagement. Creating a culture of awareness helps foster community engagement. By educating friends, family, and community members about the risks and realities of parental abduction, we can build a support network that aids families in distress. An overview of the complexities of parental abduction. Parental abduction is not a straightforward issue. It encompasses a myriad of legal, emotional, and cultural complexities that can make resolution challenging. Some of the significant complexities include legal variability. Different countries have varying laws and regulations regarding child custody and abduction. The legal definitions of custody, visitation rights, and what constitutes abduction can differ significantly from one jurisdiction to another. This variability can complicate the process of recovering abducted children across international borders.
Emotional turmoil. The emotional impact of parental abduction is profound and multifaceted. For the abducted child, the experience can lead to confusion, fear, and a sense of loss. Left behind parents often endure feelings of helplessness, anxiety, and grief, which can have lasting psychological effects. Cultural influences, cultural norms, and values can influence perceptions of parental rights and responsibilities. In multicultural relationships, misunderstandings about the legal rights of parents in different countries can create additional challenges and may increase the risk of abduction. International treaties and cooperation. The Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction is a critical framework for addressing international parental abduction. However, its effectiveness depends on the willingness of countries to cooperate and adhere to its stipulations. Variations in compliance and enforcement can hinder the return of abducted children. Societal perceptions, societal attitudes toward parental abduction can vary, with some cultures viewing the act as a legitimate response to perceived threats, while others consider it a criminal offense. These differing perspectives can complicate the legal and social response to abduction cases. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of parental abduction, it becomes clear that understanding this issue requires a multifaceted approach. By fostering awareness and addressing the complexities involved, we can take meaningful steps toward protecting children and supporting families affected by this distressing phenomenon.